Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here to share the top 5 reasons why I love my Litter Robot 3 Connect. For those of you that might not know, the Litter Robot is a fancy litter box that cleans itself automatically after each use. The newest Connect version of the Litter Robot is even Wi-Fi enabled, so you can monitor it via a phone app. It's a great product, although unquestionably expensive. Here are the top 5 reasons why I think it's a must-have product for the cat owner. Number 1, convenience. The Litter Robot 3 Connect is a huge lifestyle upgrade for the cat owner. Let's face it, cleaning the litter box is a disgusting, unpleasant chore. Have you ever heard anyone talk about how much they enjoy cleaning the litter box? No, everyone hates it. And the only reason people put up with it is that cats are so wonderful. But with the Litter Robot 3 Connect, 99.9% of the unpleasantness of litter box maintenance is taken away. All you have to do is replace the litter waste bag every 3 days or so for 2 cats, or every week or so for 1 cat, and add a little more clean litter, and you are done. Absolutely zero scooping. No muss, no fuss. It is outstanding. Number 2, cleaner cats, cleaner house. With the Litter Robot 3 Connect, the device automatically cleans itself every time your cat uses it. So each time your cat goes in there to do its business, it steps into a pristine bed of litter. There's no question in my mind that your cats end up with cleaner paws as a result. So there's cleaner paws on your floors, cleaner paws on your couch, cleaner paws on your bed. Better for kitty, better for you. Number 3, less litter waste. So the Litter Robot 3 Connect uses noticeably less litter than other litter box systems I've tried due to its design. As mentioned, the machine automatically cleans itself after each kitty visit. When the cat goes inside, it activates a sensor which causes the Litter Robot to go into cleaning mode after a preset amount of time. The default is 7 minutes. Any additional kitty visits in the meantime will reset the timer, so there's no danger that it's going to start cleaning itself when your cat is inside. No worries there. But anyway, to clean itself, it begins to rotate slowly, and in the process, clean litter goes through a screen, and any clumps are gently separated out and dropped through a trapdoor into the plastic bag-lined litter waste drawer below. Then the Litter Robot cycles backwards, and the clean litter comes back through the screen and fills the litter chamber again. Due to the slow speed of this process, litter dust is close to zero, and the litter clumps maintain their integrity. This is really important here. They don't shatter or have little bits that break off, and thus they don't contaminate the clean litter. So your clean litter really does stay clean for months and months and months. Assuming your cats don't have any special medical conditions that affect their litter box use, there's really no need to ever change out the unused litter in the Litter Robot. At least I never do. You just need to add more litter to keep the litter level in the device stable. It's a great system, and it really does cut down on litter usage. Little side note here, for those of you that may have ever used the Omega Paw Roll litter box, a non-automatic litter box that uses a somewhat similar sifting screen idea, you might be thinking that you know all about the Litter Robot and this is not going to be all that different, and why are you going to be spending so much more money for it? Well, I'll tell you, this is a really key part here. So if you're using the Omega Paw Roll litter box system, the process of separation also uses a screen, but because you are rolling it manually onto its back in order to separate out the clumps from the clean litter, the process is much faster, kind of violent actually, and little bits of the brittle clumps of litter break off. So as a result, there's quite a bit of breakage over time, and the so-called clean litter in the Omega Paw Roll becomes contaminated with lots of small, dirty litter clumps. The whole litter box has to be dumped out and replaced with clean litter every month or so, something you simply don't need to do with the Litter Robot. Of course, the Omega Paw Roll is far cheaper than the Litter Robot 3 Connect, and the price difference is going to pay for a lot of litter. However, it's not nearly as pleasant to use, and the litter that your cat is encountering on a daily basis is most definitely not pristine. Number 4, app monitoring. The Litter Robot 3 Connect is Wi-Fi enabled, which allows it to communicate with an app on your phone. At first glance, that might not seem like a very important feature. Unless your cat has a special medical condition, you might not want to be informed about every visit to the litter box or every time the cleaning cycle runs. However, if you're away from home, it can be reassuring to know that your litter box is operating correctly. And in my opinion, this is where the monitoring app on the Litter Robot 3 Connect shines. lines. Malfunctions of the device are rare, but if one happens when you're away, you're going to want to know about it as soon as possible so you can address it ASAP. It's just a nice peace of mind aspect to have. Of course, if you're always at home, or if you're not the kind of person that wants to use a phone app, then you can save $50 and get the version of the little robot that doesn't come with wireless connectivity. But for many people, that $50 add-on is well worth it. Number 5, easier travel. So this last point draws heavily upon two of the previous points that I mentioned. First, that you don't have to clean the Litter Robot 3 Connect nearly as often as a standard litter box. You can do once a week for a single kitty and maybe twice a week for a 2-cat household. And secondly, that you can remotely monitor the Litter Robot 3 Connect via your phone, and you can be assured that everything is working correctly and that your kitties are using the facilities as expected. So as a result, it's easier to go out of town for a quick trip and know that your kitties will be well cared for in your absence as far as their litter box needs are concerned. So it really makes travel easier and less stressful for the cat parent. The Litter Robot 3 Connect is available directly from the folks at Litter Robot, and it's priced at $4.99 and $4.49 if you decide that you don't need the Wi-Fi connected model. It comes in 2 colors, beige and gray, and you can save $25 on your Litter Robot purchase if you use my affiliate link in the description below. Many thanks to the kind folks at Litter Robot for sending me out this sample unit to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.